Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing efficiently. Gather a multimeter, wire strippers, crimpers, heat shrink, and replacement connectors so you won't stop mid-task. With the vehicle off and power isolated, locate the trailer's 4/5/7-pin plug and the vehicle socket. Inspect both sides closely for corrosion, melted plastic, or broken conductors. This tells you whether to clean, repair, or replace. Once done, test continuity on each pin with the multimeter so you know which circuits are live and which need work. You now diagnose and repair systematically. Probe each pin for proper voltage and ground with the multimeter while an assistant cycles lights. This isolates stop, turn, tail, and brake circuits. Cut damaged sections back to healthy copper, strip about 1/2 inch, and match wire gauge and color to the circuit so connectors are correct. Crimp firmly or solder joints for reliability, then slide on heat shrink and shrink it, once sealed. Apply dielectric grease to connector faces to prevent future corrosion and moisture intrusion. You finish by reassembling and testing every function. Reconnect the trailer and vehicle plugs, secure the harness with zip ties and protective conduit so nothing rubs or chafes, then test running lights, brake lights, and left/right turn signals while watching each bulb. If a circuit still fails, make sure grounds are clean and tight, then recheck pin assignments so none are swapped, and measure voltage under load to catch hidden resistance. If problems persist, replace the entire socket or plug to eliminate unseen damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.